Hello and welcome back friends. Today we will see what is subquery and joins. So starting from subquery. Before going, let's see what is this table about. So this table is about the restaurant and it has a name, mobile number, address, table number, some of the dates, and these are the quantities of the items which is served on the restaurant. This is the total amount that a customer has paid. So what is a subquery? Subquery is a query inside a query. And why we use a subquery? Sometimes when we use a single query, it becomes difficult to fetch the information. That's why we use another query which can simplify the results. For example, here we need to find the name and address of those who have taken an order more than of ₹1,000. So for that we have used a subquery. This question can be done by using a where, but to make you understand what is subquery, I have used this. So here you can see I have used select name and address, which is name and address from a rest. Rest is the name of the table. Where name in, we use in operator here in subquery. Where in, and this is this second query. Select name from rest where total greater than 1000. So in the first instant it looked little confusing, but let me tell you how to read this. In the subquery, the query which is inside the parenthesis, which is this, is taken first. So the value of this will be calculated first, which is select name from the rest where total is greater than 1000. So all the value which is greater than 1000 will collected, and we will get the name of those who have total greater than 1000. So we will get this name here. Now what we have used, select name and address from the restaurant where name in name in, and these are the name. For example, ASD, KKK, Guwahati, Udin, and Fine. So we'll get this, and our final result will be this. This is very simple table, and it's a very simple query. That's why it is looking a little complicated. But believe me, when you deal with a large table, then this function helps you at that time. Let's talk about joins. For that, I have made a table, and you can see I have made two tables. This is table number 1, table number 2. It's a table J1, table J2. So what is in J1 is roll number, name, address, age, and in J2 roll number, course ID. So first let's look what are the joins, how joins are made. Suppose these are the two tables, and in tables something are common in between them. So if you want the common part, which is this part, if you want, suppose these are the two tables J1 and J2. Now the thing is that you want the common feature, you want to use the common feature, which is this part. For this you are going to use an inner join. It is type of you can also consider as a concatenation, where we are using only common features. And if you want the left side table irrespective of the second, then this join is known as left join, and vice versa. When you want this, then this is known as right join. It's simple, it's just like a direction left or right, just you have to think of the direction. And if you want a whole table, then this is known as full outer join. So these are the basically join. It depends on the condition how we want to join the table. So let's see what we have did here. So here for the first question, we have just used an inner join. These are the two tables, and we have to find the name, address, as well as the course ID for the student. So we have used an inner join. So how does inner join work is that we have to select J1.name, J1.address. These name and address are from the table 1, and J2 from course ID. Now from J1 we have to select from J1 inner join J2, which is from J1 we are joining J2. It's just like that. From this table we are joining this table on J1 roll number equal to J2 dot roll number. By using the roll number, we are joining this table to this and showcasing only the name, address, and the course ID. So roll number and address, age are skipped. So this is a type of inner join. If you want to perform left join, so you can do just using here, just editing here. For inner, you can use a left join. I will show you. You can use a left join. One thing you have to notice that the table which you write here get appended to the table here. So this is the first table, and this will consider as a second table. That's all. Thank you.